Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change language on Snapchat. Now to do that, open the Snapchat application first and then you need to go to the profile of yours on the top left. Tap that. Then here you need to go to the setting icon on the top right corner. Tap that. In the setting, you scroll down to the language option. Tap that. Now here you will be able to choose a different language for your Snapchat account. From here you can just choose any language that you need. I'm gonna go and tap on Korean. The app will restart with your new language setting. Tap on change. The application will update your setting and all the language will be changed on the Snapchat right away. Now if you go back to the profile, you can see everything has been changed. You can see your profile description has been changed. So this is a way how you can change your language on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.